Hey there guys, it's your favorite backyard geographer. I was out in the garage going through my junk and I thought of you. Don't you just love walking down Main Street, USA while at Disneyland? The smells of the fresh candies, the sounds of the penny arcade, and one of my favorite things, window shopping. You know, the windows along Main Street have a lot of history, but the windows near the Emporium always told us what movies were coming soon to VHS and DVD. How? By using handmade window displays. Speaking of Disney park history, I just think that these are beautiful pieces of artwork. I mean, the fact is that these are all hand cut out of wood and then hand detailed. And again, right outside the Emporium on Main Street, you would have found, as an example, these two here. We're looking at Nani and David from Lilo and Stitch. They would have been put on display in the window display, showing you that Lilo and Stitch is coming new to DVD, to VHS, and stuff like that. This is part of my childhood. I just remember walking and always looking at the windows and window shopping. As you can also see over here, I've got Thumper and Flower from Bambi. And then down here I've got this little guy who's one of my favorites, because when I saw it I thought, oh my gosh, this is the coolest ever. And some people don't quite recognize who it is, but then once I tell you that, oh, he was from Robin Hood, and that's little Skippy wearing Robin Hood's hat, you'd remember exactly who he was. You know, and again, to just kind of speak to the detail of these, you can see, I mean, literally things are made by hand, glued on there. The flower lay is done with fishing wire, and just the artisan work. I mean, these are really truly a piece of artwork. And I don't know, I guess the part that I appreciate the most is because I also love the detail and animation, is that we know who this character is, and they're able to bring this to life with just such simple details. Maybe you remember seeing these there. Maybe you've seen other ones. Don't forget to share your photos, click like, subscribe, and we'll talk soon. By what? By using their handmade window displays.